Okay, so we were going to discuss about we were on step 3 that you have to enable two-factor authentication for your Binance account or any trading account. So after downloading the two-factor authentication from your Google Play Store, if you're using Apple, it means you download from your Apple Store. Then this is the QR code that you will scan. But it's very important to back up your key. This is very important because you can lose the phone. So in order for you to reinstall again, to have back your 6 password that they are being generated after every 30 minutes, a new password is being generated. So in order for you to reinstall again or to have back those your two-factor authentications, you have to remember, or you have to have this backup key for you to have them again. So how do you deposit your cryptocurrency to Binance account? First of all, you go to the deposit page. It means now you are inside your Binance account. You will go to your deposit or withdrawals, or sometimes it is written wallets. Then you will click to the deposit or withdrawals. After that, you will select the coin you want to deposit. So which coin do you want to deposit? For our trading platforms, most of the coins they are using bitcoins, and our signals also, the ones which arenas post on telegrams, they are being traded against the BTC. So you will go to select the coin you want to deposit. It can be Bitcoin, any kind of cryptocurrency. So let's say if it's Bitcoin, it means you go to the search box, you will write here BTC. Then after writing BTC, you will see the word here deposit. After that, you will transfer money, or you will transfer your Bitcoin from external wallets. Maybe it's a blockchain wallet, a Bitcoin blockchain wallet, or it's a Trust wallet, or it's a MetaMask, or maybe it's coming from any different offline storage. Then after that, it will require you to deposit your account address. So you will copy and paste, then you will paste it here, then you can wait for some confirmations, your Bitcoin to be credited on your account. So you can view your history of your deposit and withdrawals. That service Binance provide. You can see what all the activities of depositing and withdrawal you can be seen on your Binance account. Okay, so let's go and see types of trading that Binance offers. What are the trading that Binance offers? First of all, part of the reason for Binance being so beginner friendly is because they do not provide many trading options. You can buy or sell and use basic features like stop losses, but there are no complicated trading functions available. That's why even a beginner, a newbie in the industry can get used very quickly using Binance. So what is Binance Coin? Binance, they have their coin called BNB. And why am I going to discuss about BNB? When you are doing trading, there are fees, trading fees, withdrawal fees, and the listing fees. These are the costs of your trading. It's very important to put them down. As a trader, you need to know what are the costs of you doing that trading. So you have to make sure you have your trading sheet whereby you can put down all your cost of doing that trading. So Binance, instead of using Bitcoin as a fee charge, they are using their coin as a fee charge. So if you have BNB, it means can be used on paying the fees when buying or when selling. Okay, Binance Exchange, it has some features. It has basic, advanced, and now they have go to classic, and they have modified a lot their their trading platform. So when you enter inside your exchange, you will meet basic mode, advanced mode, classic mode, and so and so and so. So maybe let's discuss about only these two, basic and advanced. When we say basic mode, here I'm talking about how the trading platform looks alike. Let me take you so that you can see it here. Let me go back to the spot. This is basic, the easiest way to trade, very simple. And what also I like about Binance, Binance, you can see you don't need to struggle on identifying. This is the easiest way to trade. It's just it's like, what can you say? It's like it's instantly. That's why it is called the spot basic. But classic, this is how it looks. Classic. This is classic. This is classic. So you can see BTC against the USDT. You can see different colors here outside the trading charts. Here you can see BTC, BNB, Hertz, Fiat. So before doing any kind of trading, you have to understand what are you going to trade. You can trade with a single coin. You have two coins. So if you are using Bitcoin, it means you will go and select here first Bitcoin. If you are going to trade BNB, maybe against other coin, it means you have to go for BNB. So it will be only BNB. So the pair will be compared against the BNB. So how can we call it? These are markets. So this is BNB market. It means it's a market whereby you can trade your coin against BNB, only BNB. But this is Bitcoin BTC market. It means your trading will be compared to only Bitcoin. That's why it's called BTC market. And here it's Hertz coin. It means Hertz coin. These are alternative coins, excluding Bitcoin. So you will meet a lot of coin there, mixture of coins. That's why it's called Hertz, all together coins, except BTC. So BTC is not Hertz coins. But here also there is fiat. If you want to do USDT against BTC, because USD, fiat means USD. For instance, for Nigeria, they have this service of using their government currency to trade against the other different coins. Okay, because Nigeria is a good marketplace also for Binance. So you will meet here last price, 24 change of price, 24 high, 24 low, 24 volume. This is the volume, means amount of the coin traded. That's the volume. Also, you will meet some different colors here. On your left side here, on the top, it's like lead. Lead means this is selling, and this green means buying. So these are sellers, these are buyers, and here it's a marketplace, the place that is current traded inside Binance right now. You will find it here. Okay. Down here you will meet some other features I will explain, but down here you will meet open orders and your 24 order history. So let's go back to our slide. We were talking about the mods, how the trading charts looks alike. So let's go back to our PowerPoint here. Okay, so when you say advanced, it means the advanced trading platform with more detailed graphs, allowing for mid and long-term technical analysis on any coin. Okay, that's how it looks, basic and advanced. So how to trade on Binance? When you say trade, it's the same thing as traditional trade. Here, when you say trade on cryptocurrency, it's just the same concept only trading on traditional things or traditional business, means buying and selling. But here you are just doing online. You don't see people who you can't, people are not, people are anonymous here. You can't see them, you can't identify who this is somebody, this is somebody else. So we just do trading depending on the pairs we find inside the market. So how to place a trade on Binance? How to trade now? You can trade with Bitcoin market, you can trade with Ethereum market, or you can use USDT market, USDT also called Tether, or you can use BNB market. So the crypto pairs available will vary depending on which coin you are going to use. So Bitcoin trading pairs have the greatest variety compared to other hard coins. Okay, so determine how you plan to fund your trades. Since most cryptos are valued by their Bitcoin or fiat wealth, changes you will lean toward trading with BTC or USDT. Bitcoin will win over as you want the greatest number of trading opportunities to be made available to you. Also, you can deposit USDT, so it would cost more to position yourself to trade this way. To combat that issue, you can always avoid more fees by selling for USDT when you liquidate your first position. Keep in mind that Bitcoin's value fluctuates and the rest of your account balance will be dependent on BTC marketplace. So maybe you have done a trade and also maybe the value of Bitcoin is dropping down. So what are you supposed to do? Immediately you have to convert your Bitcoin to USDT, because these are called stable coins. They fluctuate, but their fluctuation is not as strong as how cryptocurrencies or how Bitcoins and other altcoins fluctuate. Okay, so keep in mind that Bitcoin's value fluctuates and the rest of your account balance will depend on the BTC marketplace. So steps to buy or sell cryptocurrencies on Binance. Okay, steps to buy or sell cryptocurrencies on Binance. Let's pretend you want to buy maybe a GNT. Maybe after hearing, do you remember we said that cryptocurrency price fluctuate depends on the forces of demand and supply, or maybe someone who has influence in the market. Maybe let's say it's Obama has spoken something against Bitcoin or against that coin. Let's say it's John McAfee. Preach predictions, maybe a certain coin will go 10 times value appreciation. So what are you going to do? You can go to Binance and select your pair GNT against BTC. Then you can place your order. So what are you going to use? You will use the limit order or the market and the stop limit. So let's see, this is how the limit orders on Binance look alike. So you will find buy BNB, sell BNB. If you are going to use the BNB market, or if it's the Bitcoin market, you find here BTC. So the price will be set at the last traded price by default. You can manually edit this number and select whatever you would like. So what I'm just trying to say here, choose a price for above the closed sell orders in the order book will result in a market buy up to that price point, or as close to it as the amount you are spending will afford you. Binance also give you a quick one button option for placing limit orders. You can divide up how much you want to buy or sell. You can maybe use 25% of your fund, your Bitcoin, or you can use 50% of your Bitcoin, or 75%, or 100%. Those are the options inside your Binance account balance, except for any balance current add up in an open trade. Also, there are allows next to the order price, which allows to adjust your bid by one, not very effective in a fast-paced market. This is what I was talking about. So here we find the limit, here we find the market, also we find the stop limit, here we find the fees, which is around 0.05%. You can use BNB to pay for the fees instead of Bitcoin. So if you're using the market, it's very easy to use a market. Very easy, because you don't need to know a lot on using a market option or a market order option. Why? Because you are led to use the price that you are going to meet inside the market. So that's why we call it, it's a very easy to make decision on using or placing or using the market order option. Why? Because you don't need to calculate anything. But my advice is, don't use the market. Don't use the market order option. You have to use the limit order. Why using the limit order? Or what is the meaning of a limit order? Because always you have to be aware of the cost. How much do you buy the coin? It's very important. How much did you buy the coin, and how much are you willing to sell? So if you will come inside the market and opt the market option, it means you are ready to sell at whatever price. So the question is, does it guarantee you to make you profit? If no, means that's trade you're not supposed to press it. You have to use the limit order so that you can make you profit. So limit order, it means you are just creating your own price, but it's like an assumption price that you wish to sell you wish to sell or to buy your cryptocurrency that you want to trade with. That's very important. So on the limit option, it means you can edit the price that you will find inside the market. You can edit. For instance, maybe you have found here it is maybe 1,000. So you will just lab, then you will light on your fingers the price that you want to sell or the price that you want to place that order. Okay, so let's see the making stop limit order on Binance. A stop limit order allows you to minimize losses when you are not allowed to watch the price action in live time. Because when you place an order, you are not going to stick on your computer looking and playing. No, you have to leave it. This is an automatic trading platform. So just place the order, move on. If you are going to class, go to class. If you are going to work, go to work. If you are sleeping, just sleep. Let it do its own job. You just find the results. So for you not to lose completely, that's why people, they opt to use also stop limit order. So the stop is the price where your limit order becomes active on the order book. The limit is the price where your position will be sold. If the market breaches the stop and doesn't return to the limit price, the order will stay in the order books regardless of how far the price drops. However, if the price recovers enough, the position will liquidate at the limit price regardless of how high it returns. So this is the trade with lower fees via Binance Coin. This I've already spoken. So that's what I have prepared for you for today. Maybe we can just do some simple examples here. Just simple example. Let me share you. Okay, so this is the trading chart within the Binance, and this is basic spot. This is classic, I mean. So what I love about Binance, do you see these arrows inside your charts? There are arrows here, white arrows. If you scroll down here, sorry. Do you see the up arrow here? That arrow on top, that means it's resistance. The arrow below, it is called the support. So we have two arrows. The arrow which is found at the bottom of your chart, it is called the support. This is support arrow, and this is resistance arrow. So it means when you are doing your analysis, when you are doing your trading, you don't do trading with emotions. Don't do your trading with emotions. That I'm expecting this will go 10 times. Hey, who told you it will go 10 times? Do your calculations. That's why we have Alena. So Alena has simplified everything for you. It's just for you to copy and paste your data. So here we are just learning how things are being done. How do people come with the three targets on the resistance and the three targets on the support level when you're buying? So we buy where? We buy when the arrow, we buy at the support level. When the arrow is at the bottom, it's a time where people buy. And when the arrow is at the bottom, it's where people sell. So that's very important. So you can't do with emotion that when you are predicting that maybe let's say maybe I want to search here a coin. For instance, let me see a coin. Let me see a coin here. Uh, Let me check here with the coin that the Alena have posted within the Telegram group. For instance, right now in the VIP, I can't mention though. There is a coin called COT. So I will go. This now it's practical now. I'm showing you practical how to place the orders that you see. So we will go to your trading like this. You go to the search box here. You will write that coin. Before going to the search box, make sure where is your market. You see my market is on fiat. So if I select that coin, it is called COT. Is COT having a USDT? Yes. But if my funds, the funds I'm going to use to buy COT are in Bitcoin, so I have to change the market to be in BTC market. So I will just click BTC, then I will say COT, then I will click this, because if I just light here and then move on the chart, move on the buying side and selling side, it hasn't reflected yet here. You can see here it is still BTC against USDT. So this is buying, this is selling. So I'm buying USDT by using BTC, and then I'm going to sell. I'm going to sell USDT to get BTC. So what am I going to trade? Right now here on the VIP, if you are already on the VIP member, if you're a VIP member, they have posted here a trading pair which is called the COT against BTC. So I have to select so that it can reflect on the chart also. So I've already clicked it. You see, now it has changed. So it has to be like that. Now it is okay. So here it's the same on the search. Also, it's the same on the chart. So when I go here, still I'm having my funds. My funds will be in BTC. So here, BTC here, my funds will be on BTC. So if my funds will BTC, then I will go and maybe how much do I want to use? Do I want to use the all amount 100% to buy my coins, or am I going to use maybe 20% of my fund, the BTC I have, maybe 50% of the BTC I have, maybe 75% of the BTC I have? or 100% of the BTC I have. My recommendation for you to be serious on doing your trading, make sure you have a balance at least of 200 US dollar, so that you can be able to trade a lot of pairs. Don't put all your money, or don't put all your 200 US dollar on a single trading pair. That's not trading, man. Just you have to scatter your portfolio. You have to diversify your portfolio. So maybe 25%, maybe 50%, maybe 75%, maybe 100%. So that you can have more than one trading pair. That's how a trader is being recognized as a serious trader. A serious trader, most of the people, they say they are professional traders, but once you look their trading books, you just find them they have only one pair. So how come do you call yourself as a professional trader? You have only a single pair. You need to have more than 20, and 20 also is very very low. But because as you are starting, that's how you are supposed to do. So I will come here and remove the price. So let me educate you one thing here. Do you see this? Let me zoom this. Let me zoom this. Okay. Do you see this? If you count is from decimal point 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is called the Satoshi value. And they always, even this I spoke, and I'm repeating it again on this meeting again. Always don't focus on the US side. Don't focus on the cost side. Focus on the BTC side. So how do you count your BTC or your Satoshi value? You count from the 0 point, from the decimal point here. There are 8 from the decimal going forward. You have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this means when someone asks you, hey, what is the Satoshi value of COT right now against BTC? It means it's 0.000000225. For instance, they have to be 8, only 8. For instance, maybe I love this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It means any number from this one, they have to be 4 to come up with a total number of 8 characters. So maybe it is 2, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I remove this, it means there is 0 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's how things are. So when a pair being posted in the Telegram VIP or in the non-VIP member, maybe it is let me see, maybe it is let me see, maybe it is CHZ, yeah, CHZ, yeah, CHZ. So let me go back here and select okay, let me use this example in the COT. So maybe buy zone is 115, and 115 up to 119. It means signal is instructing you to buy from 115 up to 119, and they sell 1 to 5, 130, 140, 155 and above. So what are you going to do? So it's, you have your Bitcoin. So what is 115? 115 means this one. So you will come here, you come here, you love this 115. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the meaning of 115. So what is being posted here on the Telegram, they're just posting in Satoshi value. So you need to understand that that's how you are going to place. So you will buy. Maybe I want to buy 50% of my fund. Maybe I'm having maybe 100 US dollar. In terms of dollar, I'm talking in terms of dollar. Maybe 50% means I'm going to use only 50 US dollar to buy a coat with this price that is there in the market. So when I go to the selling price here is 125. Now maybe I've got, when you buy a coin by using BTC, it means you are going to get a number of coins. Now maybe you have 500 coats, so you can't trade all the 500 coats by using the same price. You can scatter them. For instance, you can say maybe 25% I'm going to sell by using, maybe here they have said sell at 1 to 5, so I will go here and write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I'm saying at this price I will take 25% of my total costs, then I will sell them at this price. I will write down. Then I will come to another price. Maybe I will take at 130. Maybe 50% of my remaining cost. Then I will go to maybe another price is 155. Then I will write here 155. Then I will say 100%. 100% means I'm selling the all remaining coins that they have remained after taking 25, taking 50. So the remaining, that's why I'm selecting 100%. Then my orders will be on the listing. It will be open orders until they will be executed. Now you will meet your bitcoins on your account. That's how you press orders. Okay, fine. So why we should join VIP now? Why should you be a member on the VIP? First of all, you will get to know the coin name before it pumps, because cryptocurrency is a huge phenomenal industry that can guarantee you to give you enough profits. So you need to have a platform that can do analysis for you. You know, in today's world, we need simplified things. That's why we have these informations or trading informations. So you just pay for the trading informations. You don't need to know much about the technical analysis, about the fundamental analysis. No. You need data. Use money to make money. You need data, then you execute the data. So you will get to know the coin name before it pumps. Also, we will guide you about buy and sell targets, as what we have done and as what I've illustrated here. Also, we give you 2 to 3 daily signals that can yield up to 100% profit monthly. Imagine maybe you receive 2 to 3 signals in a day. Let's say 2. It means in a month you have 60 trading pairs. You know, to have 60 trading pairs, it's not a joke, man. It's not a joke. So we give 4 trainings a week on cryptos and trading different platforms. Also, we give one-on-one mentorship. Also, we give coins to buy and hold for a short, medium term, and a long term that can give you maximize returns in this 2020. Why 2020? Because already today we are experiencing the halving. So that's why maybe you can see Bitcoin has dropped a lot. So we don't know what we don't know what will happen after three months is to come. But anyways, also we will provide you highly training strategies like what we are doing here, guys. Also, you will get a lovely customer care from the Arena Signals. So thank you so much for your time. So I can just give you uh, a chance now to ask the question. We can use two options. If you think you can speak, just write your question down on the chat box. But if you think you can speak, I can unmute you and then you can ask your question. Hello? Okay, you can raise your hand. Just go to more or three dots on your phone. Click, then you will see raise hand. Then I will unmute you to ask me a question concerning what we have gone through. Okay, see some messages here.